Welcome back to my channel Quest for Knowledge. Today we are going to deal with all the assignments. As you can see the assignment, you have to answer all the 5 questions. So number 1 question is about the literary devices being used in any of your choice of the poem. Second, you have to act as administrator of Monaco and you have to give suggestions. Third question is about observe the activities of children who are not being allowed to join to the physical grouping and how they are being deprived from the education, and we need to answer what is the worry of the parents plus how we can give them informal education. The fourth question is that how that the poverty and ignorance of parents can hinder the growth of a child. And the fifth question is that we need to translate any one poem or short story from Kannada or regional language into English. So today we are going to go through with the English assignment for the second PUC Karnataka board, and here the assignment number 1 we have is that the poem, we are going to do the literary analysis of the poem When You Are Old. So this is the poem When You Are Old. So let's go through with the literary devices, how the poet has used to make the poem more meaningful and purposeful, to share the emotions and feelings. So first we have imaginary. Imaginary is used to make the reader perceive things with the 5 senses. He has used imaginary in this poem. As you can see, the bending down beside the glowing bars and paced upon the mountains overhead. Symbolism is the symbols which signifies ideas and qualities. Like you have it has there that fire is the symbol of fiery love which was rejected, and mountain overhead which is crowd of stars, things she know exist but she can't reach. After that we have consonants. It is the repetition of consonant sound in the same line, such as bending down beside the glowing bar and paced upon the mountains overhead. Alliteration is the repetition of the consonant, like hid his face amid a crowd of stars. Personification is to personify a non-living thing as living thing, like murmur a little sadly how love fled. As here the love is human and it can move, the love has fled. So this is the literary devices which the poet has used. Apart from this, the poet has used enjambment. Enjambment means the continuation of the poem to the next line without any break. So that is the enjambment. And we have a stanza of same lines. There are 3 stanzas in this poem, of each comprising of 4 lines. Quatrain, it's a 4-line stanza and which is borrowed from the Persian poetry. Each stanza is quatrain, as the first one and the second one rhyme scheme. The poem follows the ABBA rhyme scheme in all the stanza. And as you can see in the end, we have a rhymes like sleep, deep, book, look and all. And we have a iambic pentameter. It is the type of meter consisting of 5 iambs. This poem comprises of iambic, for example, when you are old and grey and full of sleep. Let's move on to the assignment number 2. So the assignment number 2 is that you are an administrator of the Monaco. You have to suggest. So Monaco was a very small kingdom with a small population and a small country. Also its revenue was meager. Yet the king managed to rule like another king, with courtiers, judges and ministers enjoying the luxury and privileges of a king. The king managed to enjoy his kingship utilizing the additional revenue generated from monopolizing the gambling business. It is highly condemnable that a king should resort to doing a dirty business to enjoy royal comforts. One can only say that the king is too self-centered. As regard to the murder committed by the criminal, the kingdom did not have either a guillotine machine nor an executioner. Secondly, the government could not afford to spend even 12,000 francs on borrowing the same from the king of Italy. In such a situation, it is quite preposterous to put in place a system of inflicting violence to eliminate violence. One possible alternative punishment would have been sending the criminal into exile. Another alternative punishment would have been to condemn such criminals to hard physical labor for life or for a limited period until they reform their behavior. It would be far more practical, economical, and human to use the state resources to reduce crimes this way. So even I would like to add some of my suggestion if I be administrator of the Monaco. Investigation to be done to know the purpose and the reason for the crime committed. Life imprisonment to be given for 10 years of imprisonment to be given with counseling for transforming their life to better. Need to record their change and progress. If the criminal is ready to transform the life for better, then should be given an opportunity to walk on the kingdom and serve the kingdom, so that the criminal who feels that nobody will help him, surely he will under the service of the kingdom and live the life comfortably and peaceably and completely transforming his life from a converted to a innocent life. Let's move on to the assignment number 3. Assignment number 3 is that how the coronavirus pandemic has completely affected the children's education. So this is the essay which I have made according to the need of the assignment, as you can go through and write down. You may pass and you may complete your assignment through this. As the children's growth, the first 8 years of children's growth is very important years which the children really got affected with the pandemic. They are not able to go into the physical gatherings or in any of the groups, and outdoor playing, everything is being deprived for the children's. So this is the essay which you need to write, which you highlight about how the children's got affected due to the pandemic, how their education is being deprived, how they are being deprived from the physical gathering, grouping, and outdoor playing. So I have taken some of the tips to maintain outdoor playing and all. So this is the tip and tricks that establish and maintain a daily routine for the children, keep children active, limit their screen time, provide playing and play-based learning opportunities, practice serve and return, stay connected and be a role model. Let's move on to the assignment number 4. So, the children in poverty, how the ignorance and poverty of the parents affect the children's. As you can see that the children who belongs to the low income families are being affected not only in their education but also in their health. As in a complete family, they are being deprived from the various facilities. So this is the essay based on the ignorance and the poverty of the parents, how it affects the children's. So these all are the essay for the children's. Let's move on to the assignment number 5. So this is Adhikar poem, which is in Hindi, has been translated in English. You may take screenshot of it or pause the video and you may write your assignments. Or this is Namma Bauta in Kannada, which is being translated in English. So you may choose any one of it and you may write down your assignment and complete it. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.